Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to show how to create a sign-in station in Accudemia 7.0. There are two ways, one in the menu Quick Sign-in Station, the other one is in Administration Sign-in Station Computers. In the new screen you're going to select the center or the classroom. You are going to establish default values if you want for subject area, service, tutor and instructor. And then the student can sign in directly here in this screen and select all the values that you specify, or you can make this screen permanent by clicking Setup Kiosk and log out. Now this computer is going to be established as a sign-in station where the student can swipe their card if that option is enabled, or sign right here, similar to the screen we just saw. He's going to select the subject area, services, and everything else that was established for this center. Okay, and now the student is in. Thank you for watching. Bye.